Do you know how easy it is to use a Messenger scan code? All you've got to do is open up your Messenger, tap the camera, touch the center of your phone and hold it over the scan code, and voila. I want you to try it now. Just scan my Messenger code here and watch the magic happen. It's going to open up a conversation instantly within Messenger. So where can you use a Messenger code? Anywhere where you can add a picture, or you can even have it as your screensaver on your phone. Why would you want to use a Messenger code? It's a simple way to deliver anything instantly to the audience that wants to receive it and have an 80 to 90% chance that they're going to open it. So what can you use a Messenger code for? Well, you can use it to deliver lead magnets, invitations to your Facebook group or page, webinar registrations, surveys, product info, videos, your Facebook Live notifications, have it as a business card, whether it's offline or online, and event schedules. The list is endless. You don't need to get anyone to fill out a form. You don't need to create fancy landing pages. No complicated funnels. What do you have right now that you want more people to see? Let me know below and I'll show you how you can start having a conversation within Messenger and deliver your content seamlessly.